Hello, my crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and thank you so much for coming back and sharing your time with me. DJ here. Happy New Year! It's January 1st, 2024, the start of a bright and shiny new year. I'm happy to sweep 2023 away, and I hope you are too. No use in holding on to the past, right? Yes. Let's move forward into 2024. And I have a special surprise for you today to get you started. So I wanted to do a monthly junk journal kind of craft along. And so what I decided to do was come up with some kits that we can do throughout each month of the year. And we're going to start today with January. And January's kit is a free kit. That's right, 100% free. You just have to go to my website and download it. There's 18 pages in this kit, and I'm calling it Arctic Foxes, and you will see why in a moment. So here's the kit. It's called Arctic Foxes because, well, it's January and it's chilly, and I wanted to do something in the theme of January. And I thought these little guys were so adorable, so I thought I would make an entire kit just for you to create in your own space throughout the month. This is a small junk journal, so if we look at the pages, I'll start with the covers here. I give you two cover options, and these covers, when you cut them out, they'll be 6 by 9-ish, depending on how your printer prints them. But if you print everything in the same ratio, then everything will fit fine. And then what will happen is, after you cut it out, obviously, you'll fold it in half. So your journal will only be about that big, which is, I think, a great little monthly project. There's not a lot of pressure to get a ton of pages done, and it's just the right size to kind of store along. And I thought it would be cool to have all 12 at the end of the year, and we'll do a little celebration with the junk journals. And so, yeah, let's go through the kit. So what I have is two covers, like I said. So we have this one that's more like a mountainous kind of setup, and then this one's more plain, so you can kind of decorate it the way that you want. But it's frosty, it's got little snowflake-ish type pieces in there. So those are your two cover options. I have 4 just blank pages, large pages. So these are the full 8.5 by 11. And we have this mountain range. We have this kind of blue hue plain background. We have this more, you know, grungy coffee or tea dyed background. And then we have this kind of scattered, you know, mix of colors. So those are, you could use for a variety of things, and that'll be the fun. We get to do this together throughout the month and play along in our journals. Of course, you don't have to. The kit is still free. If you want to craft along with me, that's great. But I'll put the link for the kit in the description box below, and you can just go get it and craft on your own. It's fine. My gift from me to you. Happy New Year. And then I have these interior pages. So these get cut across the bottom, like so, and then they'll get folded in half, and they will go inside the cover. And, you know, you can trim them down so that they fit inside the cover, but they should fit pretty well. Because they are, well, I have a border, so without the border, they would be 4 1/4 by 8.5, and that should fit well inside a 6 by 9. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages of those. And then what you can do is, so that they're front and back, you can print one on one side and one on the other. I did that here. This is the kit I'm going to be working with. I printed mine on cardstock, but you can print on whatever you have. Let me just show you. Like here, I printed these 2 pages on this side, and then I put it back through my printer and printed these so that when I fold it in half, both sides will be printed. Okay, so I gave you some options there. I also did some where are they? Here. Not that one. Not that one. Is this one? I printed the full-size sheet on the other side, so I can't find one now, obviously, because the camera's going. Let me see. Come on. I show you, but I think you know what I mean. I just printed one of these full-size sheets on the back of one of the doubles. Yeah, no, that's not one. Ah, here's one. And this one I printed too dark, so yours won't be this dark because I adjusted it. But so these are the 2 pages, and then I took one of those full sheet pages, and now when I fold this in half, this side will be like that. Okay, so anyway, that's what I did. And again, I printed mine all on cardstock, 110 pounds. I think it's the one that's in my favorite things page, Nina. Okay, so you get all of those pages that you can do back to back or print, whatever. You can, if you have another printer type of paper that you like that's, you know, frosty or maybe coffee dyed, you can put that on the other side. Or you can just leave it white if you like that style. And then we have some ephemera we're going to use inside. We have a bunch of pockets here. So you get 3, 6, 9, 12 pockets. This is like a little belly band that will fit on that size page, or you could use it as a tuck. And then I have some little cards here that you can use as journaling cards, or we can make them into pockets as well. They can be little flips and flaps. I have some great ideas for this. It'll be so much fun. We have some little tickets. We have another belly band or tuck, some flags that can be turned into hidden paper clips or just general paper clips. This is an envelope that folds up. It's a little one, and this card will fit inside this envelope, or you can just put some paper that you have in your stash. And then I made a bigger envelope that will fit about the size of the pages, and you could put some of these cards in there, or just a piece of coffee dyed paper or lined paper or whatever you like, and then just some words and some blanks so you can write in your own words if you'd like, or stamp on them. And that's it. So 18 full pages. You can download them now. They're over on the website. Just check the description box below for the link, and meet me back here because tomorrow I'll be posting a brand new video to start us off on creating our January junk journal. So take today to go download your pages and you know, grab them. These will be available throughout the month of January. At the end of January, they'll go away and we'll move into a February, okay? And by the way, if you have any ideas for a February mini junk journal that is not Valentine's based, drop them in the comments because I'd be interested in what you have. I haven't created the kit yet. I'm going to create these as I go. And so I'm open to any ideas. Some of the things I was considering were just some general ideas like roses or gardening or birds or something like that. But if you have an idea, I'd love to hear what it is, and maybe it'll make it into the February kit. So there you go. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope your year is amazing and filled with lots of crafty fun. And I will see you tomorrow in our first January junk journal video. Have a great day or night. Bye.